Welcome to Mastering Local SEO, Tips and Tricks for Small Businesses. In this video, we will delve into the world of local SEO and equip you with the knowledge and strategies necessary to maximize your online visibility and attract more customers to your small business. Understanding local SEO. What is local SEO? Local SEO, commonly known as local search engine optimization, is the practice of optimizing your online presence to target local customers. It involves implementing various techniques and strategies to improve your business's visibility in local search engine results. Importance of local SEO for small businesses. Small businesses heavily rely on local customers for their success. By mastering local SEO, you can ensure that your business appears in relevant local searches, increasing your chances of attracting nearby customers who are actively searching for products or services like yours. Chapter 2: Optimizing your website. Local keyword research. Conducting thorough local keyword research is crucial for optimizing your website. By understanding the phrases and terms people use when searching for local businesses like yours, you can strategically incorporate those keywords into your website's content and improve your search engine rankings. On-page optimization. On-page optimization involves optimizing various elements on your website to improve its search engine visibility. This includes optimizing meta tags, headings, URLs, and content with relevant local keywords. Mobile optimization. With the majority of local searches now being conducted on mobile devices, optimizing your website for mobile users is essential. Ensuring that your website is mobile-friendly and loads quickly on smartphones will enhance the user experience and improve your visibility in local searches. Google My Business, GMB. Creating and optimizing your GMB profile. Google My Business is a free and powerful tool for improving your local search visibility. We'll guide you through the process of creating and optimizing your GMB profile, including adding accurate business information, attractive photos, and encouraging customer reviews. Managing customer reviews. Customer reviews play a significant role in building trust and attracting new customers. We'll provide tips on how to manage and respond to customer reviews effectively, ensuring a positive online reputation for your small business. Local citations and directory listings. The importance of local citations. Local citations are online mentions of your business's name, address, and phone number, NAP, on various websites and directories. We'll explain why consistent and accurate citation listings across different platforms are crucial for local SEO. Popular local directories to consider. We'll highlight some popular local directories and platforms where you can list your business to improve your online visibility and reach a wider local audience. Building online reputation. Importance of online reputation. Having a strong online reputation is vital for attracting new customers. We'll discuss strategies to build a positive online reputation and manage any negative feedback or reviews effectively. Encouraging online reviews. Positive customer reviews are like digital word-of-mouth referrals. We'll provide tips on how to proactively encourage satisfied customers to leave online reviews, boosting your business's online reputation. Congratulations on completing Mastering Local SEO, Tips and Tricks for Small Businesses. By implementing the techniques and strategies we've covered in this video, you are well on your way to improving your business's online visibility and attracting more local customers. Remember, local SEO is an ongoing process, so stay updated with the latest trends and continue optimizing your online presence. Thank you for watching.